Hey, good morning, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to be here today. Today, I will be discussing about scaling financial design systems with Go by building high performance fintech infrastructure in the cloud. Let's start the session. How many of you have ever been frustrated with slow and outdated financial systems? It may be a wire transfer took long or a payment got stuck without a clear reason. We have been there. Financial system should be fast, secure, and frictionless, but legacy, structure, and outdated technology often makes this a challenging. This is where Go and cloud native architecture comes in. They enable us to build scalable, resilient, and high performance financial systems that can perform millions of transactions in real time. In today's session, I will walk you through how we process millions of transactions daily using Go powered microservices by leveraging AI and machine learning to predict risk, detect fraud, and optimize financial decisions, build secure, scalable APIs that allows seamless integration across banks and digital wallets and financial applications, reduce infrastructure cost by 40% while simultaneously increase speed and security. Does it sound exciting? Now let's deep dive in. let's deep dive into our microservice architecture. Now I built a truly scalable financial system. We need a solid architectural foundation. Let's imagine a highway. Let's imagine a highway where cars move smoothly without traffic jams. That's exactly what we have built with our microservice architecture. Cloud native process. By distributing transaction processing, we present services overloads and exceeds industry standards by 35%. By using Go, Go is built for speed and concurrency, while traditional languages like Java or Python struggle with high load processing. With Go routine enables us to handle thousands of requests per second with minimal latency. Coming to resilience distributed systems, our architecture guarantees that 99.99% uptime by ensuring that even if a service fails, traffic is automatically rerouted to backup nodes. To put this into perspective, think about Black Friday or major stock market trading days when transaction volumes go surge. Our system scales dynamically to handle these spikes, ensuring a seamless experience for millions of users. But not only scalability, we also need intelligence in our systems because everywhere we see artificial intelligence is growing big and machine learning is dominating everywhere. So let's move to machine learning integration. Coming to machine learning integration and artificial intelligence, these are revolutionizing financial decision making. So how do we bring intelligence into fintech? That's what our question over here. With help of data ingestion, we process massive amount of structured and unstructured data, including transactions and their histories and real-time marketing feeds, customer spending patterns, and also with help of AI-powered analysis, our module uncovers patterns that human might overlook, like such as predicting which customer are likely to default on loans, identifying trading opportunities in volatile market, security and fraud detection. Our AI reduced false positive by 78% by ensuring that legitimate transactions go through without unnecessary blocks. Quick question for you all guys here. How many of you had a credit card transaction decline due to security concerns? Now imagine if instead of blocking a legitimate transaction, AI could accurately differentiate between fraud and a normal purchase. That's exactly what our system does. But intelligence is only useful if it can be shared efficiently. That brings us API and backbone of modern financial systems. Coming to API ecosystem, Coming to API ecosystem, APIs are the glue that connects modern financial systems. Without them, banks and fintech platforms would be isolated islands, struggling to communicate with each other. Our API ecosystem handles over 15 million daily requests with 99.9 uptime, supporting both REST and GraphQL, offering flexibility for different clients. Accelerates integration. Banks and fintech companies can go live in weeks instead of months. Let's take a real world example. Imagine a startup company that wants to offer instant credit scoring. With our APIs, they can tap into our AI engine, analyze a user's credit worthiness in real time, and approve a loan within seconds. Our API alone aren't enough. We need strong, scalable cloud infrastructure to support them. Let's explore that next. Coming to cloud infrastructure evolution, migrating to the cloud isn't just a trend, it's necessary for modern financial systems. By ensuring zero downtime migration, we transactioned entire bank system to the cloud without disturbing daily operations. 40% of cost reduction by leveraging serverless computing. We pay only for what we use, reducing the need for expenses on premises servers. And also multi-cloud strategy, utilizing multiple cloud providers, ensuring redundancy prevents outage and helps company to compile with regional data regulations. For example, a traditional bank that used to take day to day settlement payments can now process them in real time thanks to our cloud infrastructure. Now that we have covered scalability and cloud efficiency, let's talk about what really matters to customers. Personalized financial services. Let's move into it. Coming to personalized financial services, AI driven financial is reshaping the way customers manage their money. By investment strategies, our AI driven real time investment recommendations customized the individual's risk profile. Coming to debt management, clients using our platform save an average of 15% on interest through optimized repayment strategies. Coming to financial planning, predictive modeling helps people prepare for life's financial uncertainties. To support these intelligent financial services, we need a rock solid DevOps strategy. Let's take a look at how we achieve that. We all know about DevOps. Coming to for the We all know about DevOps, right? DevOps Excellence. Without DevOps, no one or none of these innovations would be possible. 95% of test coverage before deploying any code, by ensuring zero downtime deployment, using blue green deployment strategies, and also real time monitoring allows us to detect, resolve issues before customers even notice. The result is faster and innovation, greater reliability, and happier customers. Another key technology driving trust is FinTech in blockchain. Let's see how we are integrating it. Coming to blockchain integration, blockchain is transforming financial transactions by introducing greater trust and transparency. Smart contracts are like it eliminates middlemen and reducing cost by 30%, and risk assessment. Every transaction is permanently recorded, preventing fraud and ensured compliance. Adaptive market contracts. Our system dynamically responds to market fluctuations in real time. Speaking of fraud, let's take a closer look at how we can stop financial crimes before they happen. Let's move to fraud detection systems. Fraud remains one of the biggest challenges in fintech, as all we know, and we take it seriously. To resolve this, microsecond monitoring transactions are analyzed in real time to prevent fraud before it happens. AI powered detections, our models continuously learn from millions of past fraud attempts and improve the accuracy. The fraud detection is by 63% Banks using our systems have cut fraud losses by nearly two-thirds. But stopping fraud isn't enough. We also have to meet strict regulatory requirements. So let's jump into regulatory compliances. Compliance isn't just about following rules, it's about protecting business and all our customers. 99.7% accuracy in AML. We flag suspicious transactions instantly. KYC in 40 seconds. Customers onboard in under a minute instead of days. 98% less manual work. Compliance teams save hundreds of through automation. Now coming to measurable business outcomes, 78% faster processing. Transactions happen almost instantly. 63% of fraud reduction, greater security and low risk. 89% developer productivity boosts, more innovations and less maintenance. 42% cost savings by less infrastructure waste and more efficiency. Coming to conclusion, how do we make financial systems faster, smarter and safer? The all out of this we can say is like with help of AI driven and cloud powered and Go based infrastructure. Thank you everyone for attending the session, and I would like to take any questions. Thank you all.